Hello, in front of me I've got Samsung Smart TV Q80A. In this video I'll show you how to manage smart features of the TV. In the beginning, let's go to Settings, enter General and go to Smart Features. Now you can enable or disable Auto Run Smart Hub, Auto Run Last Up and Auto Run Multi-View Casting. Multi-View runs automatically when you cast YouTube content from your mobile. For Multi-View, supported screens only, including live TV, external devices or app. Auto Run Last Up automatically launch the last use application when the TV is turned on. Auto Run Smart Hub automatically display Smart Hub when the TV is turned on. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.